Hello friends. So today I'm going to talk on what is the composition of every being, how we made of. This is what I'm going to talk on. I can talk on any beings in this world. It's your puppies or this beautiful trees, what you love, or anything is in this world. Like what we are made of is only what I'm going to talk on today. So what I want to explain in the first is only the physical form is different for every being, including human beings. We have different forms, and it's same with the other beings of plants and trees or any other beings you can think of. Only the physical form is different, but when we get into inside of the physical form, always is made of the same thing. Is what I'm going to explain now. So all this human or any beings is made of fiber tissues, cellular fiber tissues, and this fiber tissues is made of cells, and these cells are made of atoms, and these atoms are made of electrons, neutrons, and protons, and these electrons and neutrons and protons are made of quarks, and these quarks are made of, that is the answer is called nothing. The scientist or anyone couldn't find what is it's made of. And the yogis we know, or the rishis, they taught us is made of something called Brahman. Brahman is something which is not born, which is not die, it's always exist. It's something is similar to ourself. So the Brahman is something is called a Maya or an illusion. You can keep it like that. It's made of like that only. It exists, but same time we don't have a birth or death, so we can't see. It's that what is made of us. Like every being in this world is made by something called Brahman, which does not exist, or it exists same time it does not exist. It's what we are made of. It's so hard to understand this concept unless you are in a spiritual mind and you have the knowledge to understand these spiritual things. I will recommend you to undergo some books of Upanishads and Vedas, Advaita. Advaita is a concept which explains this, like what I said now. So everyone in this world is made of something which does not exist. So any physical things you feel is not real, like your emotions, or you practice yoga, you feel a stretch, or you feel like something else. Like whatever you feel is not true, it's an illusion. So yoga is a concept to understand, make you understand that whatever you feel through your physical things is not true. When you don't feel anything, and if you think if you feel something don't feel anything, then that's also not true. If something is true which you don't like, whatever you feel or see or anything is not true. So that's why we call it is an illusion or Maya. Like everything is Maya, which means it's an illusion. Everything is around you is an illusion. And so the same thing, like what you feel hard, you feel happy, you feel anger, nothing is true. There is only one thing I can say true is love. So if you have emotionally blocked things which is stopping you from showing your love, it's not true. The love, the God is only the true, or the love you can have on others is only the true things, except the Maya. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts on this topic, you can write me on my comments or ping me. I will explain you more. I'm really happy to explain you more.